We will just go into a small little meditation here. So you just carry on with your normal breathing, normal inhale, normal exhale. As it is, just bring your awareness back to your breathing now and attach your mind to it. Any sounds outside, your mind will get distracted, so it's okay. But just bring your mind back to your breathing whenever it wanders. And all I want you to do is with every inhale, just utter this sound in your mind. So, and as you exhale, utter this sound, hum. So it's so, hum, so, hum. So is the sound of your inhale, hum is the sound of your exhale. Just say it in your mind, quietly, slowly, as you are breathing. So it's so, so, hum, so, hum, so, hum, so, hum. And just continue like that for some time. Slowly, slowly, along with your awareness on your breath, I also want you to become aware of your surroundings, becoming more and more aware of the space that you are in right now. Just become aware of it with your eyes closed. And one more time, I want you to start repeating your name in your mind. I am Anukriti Govind Sharma. So repeat your name in your mind. This time, once again, keeping your entire consciousness on your breath and becoming aware of your space. I am, and finish the sentence with your complete name. And once again, ma'am, I want you to recall all the stresses and worries in your life that you have right now. All of us are bogged down by some tension or the other in life. It can be the smallest, it can be the biggest, but after all, a problem is a problem. So think of all the worries that are bothering you at this phase of your life: personal, relationships, professional, business, whatever it might be. It could be the housemaid, for instance, who could be bothering you for whatever reason. Bring these tensions back into your life. Think about them and bring them back to your life. Normally, you would hear from people, don't think about your stress, don't overthink, don't allow these stresses to hang around in your mind. That's what normally the people will tell you, but I am telling you otherwise. Do the exact opposite. Think about these worries and intentionally bring them back to your mind. Ask them to come to your mind and relish them. Think more and more about them. And I want you to seriously get bothered by these thoughts again. Because, like I was telling you in the beginning of the class today, this is the beauty of the power of thought. When you think about something, it really starts to happen in your life. When you think about something, you can start feeling those changes happening in your body. So become stressed, become worried, clench your teeth if you want to, feel the muscles in your face tighten, feel the muscles in your hands becoming tighter because suddenly you have all these negative thoughts coming to your mind. You're constantly thinking about them. And as you're thinking about them, you're becoming more and more stressed. So feel those negative changes happening in your body right now. Maybe your heart rate is becoming more slowly and slowly. Maybe there are frown lines developing. Maybe your forehead is becoming tighter. Maybe your head feels heavier suddenly. Think about them and overthink these worries, these troubles. Are you feeling some emotions, some feelings generating inside you? Are you getting irritated? Is there some anger developing slowly and slowly? Are you getting worried? Are you feeling depressed slowly and slowly? There is no hope for me. This is terrible. It's like rubbish. I hate it. Whatever it might be, just feel these emotions. Let them come. Accept them. Welcome them like a cherished guest. I want you to feel and realize and understand the power of a single thought. When you think of a thought, what is that thought capable of doing to you, to your life, to your body? Whether you believe in that thought or not, whether you completely understand and rely on that thought or not. If you think it, it it is bound to create changes to your body. It can be positive changes, it can be negative changes. And right now, these are negative changes. And keep repeating your complete name. That's your identity. And simultaneously think of these tensions. Now, slowly drop that last name from your sentence. I am Anukriti. I am Anukriti. And repeat your first name. Now, as you are dropping your last name altogether, your mind is also beginning to drop all these thoughts and feelings of stress and negativity and worries and troubles and deadlines. As you drop the last name, so does your mind drop the worries one by one. It's like a machine. And with my style of meditation, I will use many, very many descriptive words. And when I will use these descriptive words, they will form shapes and images and pictures in your mind. They are bound to. And when your mind will constantly listen to these words of mine, it will have no choice but to create those pictures and to obey my words. It will have no choice but to obey. So now your mind is dropping these tensions one by one, just like it has dropped your last name. Now, as you repeat your first name, your mind is already beginning to bring pictures and images of your childhood back to you. Suddenly, you have these visuals, these imageries in front of your eyes. Your childhood, your siblings, your parents, all the happy, carefree days, your friends, all those days of the childhood when there were no worries, no deadlines, no responsibilities. Think of those days. As children, we were busy doing so much, but we were definitely not busy worrying. We were not stressed out the way we are today. And your mind is slowly bringing those childhood images back to your internal eye, the mind's eye. Start reliving those memories now. And if those thoughts are positive, those thoughts are happy, those thoughts are carefree, you will slowly start to feel and witness the positive changes happening in your body now. Is your heart rate slowing down? Do you feel that your forehead is becoming lighter? Your head is becoming lighter slowly? The muscles in your thighs, are they beginning to relax? Look at your hands through your mind's eye. Are your hands, are your fingers becoming more relaxed now? Are your legs becoming heavier now with those childhood memories and thoughts? Are the legs tending to become heavier? Do you feel like dropping them down? And now slowly drop that first name also. Just I am, without any attachments or labels, without any identity. Now you have lost your identity. It's just I am. And as your mind drops your first name, so does it drop the childhood memories. One by one, all the memories are fading out. One by one, all the stresses are gone. And one by one, slowly, slowly, all the memories of your childhood are also getting lost into the abstract, into the sublime. Keeping your awareness on your breath and on your surroundings, let's convert this sentence into a sound, a random abstract sound. Aham, aham. And gently keep repeating this sound in your mind now. Now you have absolutely no attachments, absolutely no labels attached. Aham, aham, aham. This is your ground state reality. This is who you really are. Much before any thoughts, any feelings, or any memories that arise inside you. This is who you really are. This is your true self. So just be in this true state of yours and enjoy and relish your true existence. Just be in this true original state. Just be. Relax your body in just being. Relax your body in awareness. Relax your body in existence. And you are beginning to realize that as your mind is listening to these words of mine, it has no choice but to follow like a faithful servant. It is left with no choice but to follow. These words which I am saying, these words are generating some thoughts in your mind, and these thoughts are having a nice, positive, relaxing effect on your body. And you know why these thoughts are having such effects on your body? Because when I'm saying these words and your mind is listening to these words, it is left with no choice but to follow and think these thoughts also. And your body is beginning to relax more and more. So, once again, just relax in being, relax in awareness, and relax in your existence. And slowly, slowly, let's shake you out of this trance. So you just shake your body a little bit as you're lying. Massage your body if it feels good. Anywhere you feel like, just massaging yourself. And slowly, slowly, you can come out of this trance. You can gradually remove the pillows from underneath you, maybe turn to one side, keeping your eyes closed, just guiding your body with your hands here. And slowly, slowly, sit back up. In your life, in this very present moment, you have no stress, you have no fear, and you have no memories either. This is your ground state reality. You are a field of infinite potential. You are capable of doing anything. You are an empty vessel. You are a blank slate right now. And you can achieve anything. You can accomplish anything. And remember, you are capable of anything. Having said that, whenever you are ready, whenever you feel like it, just turn to one side and sit back up.